personalized debit card, direct deposit, investing in stocks, buying, selling Bitcoin, and filling the taxes by your own. And it is designed to simplify managing and growing money on your own terms, the way money should work. So to get these features, you need to log into your apps, Cash App, and to do so you need to follow a few steps, which is very easy to do so. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure that Cash App is downloaded on your device, and then you need to open the Cash App on your mobile device. After opening that Cash App on your mobile device, there will be the option like login or sign up on your first home page of this app. So I've been suffering from some of the troubleshoot in this app, so this is not working correctly in my region. So in your area, just need to open the Cash App on your mobile device and tap the login option. And after tapping on the login option, you need to enter the phone number or email address linked to your account. So it's very easy to do so. And after entering your phone number and email address, you need to just tap the option continue. And if the prompt choose the verification method, for example like code sent to your phone or email, so that's how your device will get extra security. And after that, enter the code when it arrives. You can find the code in your phone or in your email address that you have entered before. And after all this process verification, you log into your account and can access your dashboard very easily. So you can also enable your biometric log, and then also you can just enable your biometric log like fingerprint, face ID for this in this app, Cash App.